What the fuck are you just fucking saying about me, you little bitch? I graduated my top in the class. I mean, Navy SEALs. I've all of his secret radar on the Kiddo. And over 300 confirmed kills. And I've been trained and I'm the top of sniper in the U.S. Task Force. I want nothing but to train on my target. I will fight the fuck out of precision, like never been seen in foreign earth. Marking fucking words. You think I can get away with seeing shit and getting on the internet? Think again, fucker. As we speed, contacting a social network of spies in the USA. Now we're IP please now. Better prepare to storm, Megan. This storm that wipes out a pathetic little thing. Wife. You're fucking dead, kid. I can be anywhere, anytime, and I can kill you over 700 ways, and that's one of your hands. Not only the trainer with combat, I have access to the entire affairs of the United States. I don't use the full extent of white demand. I have solved the facing consequences. Little shit. If only can have no only the residuals. Clever comment was about to bring it out. That maybe we won't help fucking talk. But you couldn't. You didn't. And now preparing the president, goddamn idiot. A shit for you over, and you will drown it. You're fucking kiddo, kiddo.